Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 300, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 300, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 300 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 300 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 300 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 300? Angel number 300 is a powerful message from the divine realm, signaling that you are on the right path and should trust your journey. The number 3 resonates with creativity, self-expression, and growth, while the double zeros amplify these energies and represent new beginnings and spiritual development. Together, they encourage you to embrace your inner wisdom and remain confident in your pursuit. This number serves as a reminder that your thoughts and intentions are manifesting into reality, and you have the support of the universe in achieving your goals. What's the symbolism of angel number 300? Symbolically, angel number 300 combines the energies of communication, creativity, and spiritual awakening. The number 3 signifies growth and expansion, while the zeros emphasize the infinite potential and the beginning of a spiritual journey. This number encourages you to align your actions with your spiritual aspirations, ensuring that your endeavors are grounded and purposeful. It's a call to balance your material pursuits with spiritual growth, leading to holistic development. What is the angel number 300 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 300 is a sign of divine support and guidance. It indicates that your angels and ascended masters are with you, offering assistance as you embark on or continue your spiritual journey. This number encourages you to deepen your connection with the divine, trust your intuition, and remain open to spiritual insight. It's a reminder that your spiritual growth is integral to your overall well-being and that the universe is supporting your endeavors. What does the angel number 300 mean for love? In matters of love, angel number 300 emphasizes the importance of open communication and self-expression. It encourages you to express your thoughts and feelings honestly, fostering deeper connections with your partner. This number also signifies growth and evolution within relationships, reminding you to embrace change and be open to personal and relational development. By nurturing your relationship with love and care, you can create a strong and lasting bond. What does angel number 300 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 300 signifies spiritual guidance and support on your journey towards union. It suggests that both you and your twin flame are being guided by the universe to focus on personal and spiritual growth. This number encourages patience and trust in the journey, reminding you that the universe is guiding your connection. It's a sign that your efforts are aligning, bringing you closer to a harmonious union. What does angel number 300 mean for manifestation? Angel number 300 is a potent indicator that your manifestation abilities are heightened. It encourages you to focus your thoughts and intentions on your goals, trusting that the universe is working in your favor. This number reminds you that with determination and a clear vision, you can bring your desires into reality. It's essential to maintain a positive mindset and take actionable steps towards your aspirations, knowing that your efforts will bear fruit. How does angel number 300 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 300 suggests that your hard work and dedication will lead to stability and abundance. It encourages you to continue managing your resources wisely and to remain disciplined in your financial decisions. This number is a reminder that building a secure financial foundation requires patience and consistent effort. Trust that your diligence will pay off, leading to long-term prosperity. What does angel number 300 mean for former relationships? Regarding former relationships, angel number 300 indicates the importance of closure and learning from past experiences. It encourages you to reflect on previous connections, understand the lessons they offered, and release any lingering negativity. This number suggests that by healing and letting go, you create space for new, healthier relationships to enter your life. It's a call to embrace personal growth and move forward with clarity and purpose. How does angel number 300 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 300 emphasizes the value of hard work, discipline, and building a solid foundation for your career. It encourages you to stay focused on your goals, remain patient, and trust in the process. This number is a reminder that success doesn't come overnight but through consistent effort and dedication. By aligning your work with your values and maintaining integrity, you'll achieve lasting fulfillment and recognition. What are the strengths of angel number 300? The strengths associated with angel number 300 include resilience, determination, and a strong sense of purpose. Individuals influenced by this number are often disciplined, reliable, and committed to their goals. They possess the ability to build stable foundations in various aspects of life, ensuring long-term success. Additionally, their spiritual awareness allows them to navigate challenges with grace and seek guidance when needed. What are the weaknesses of angel number 300? Potential weaknesses linked to angel number 300 include rigidity, resistance to change, and an overemphasis on practicality. Individuals may become so focused on structure and stability that they neglect spontaneity or emotional expression. It's essential for those influenced by this number to remain open to new experiences and to balance their disciplined nature with flexibility and empathy. Angel number 300 is a powerful spiritual message that blends creativity, divine guidance, and the infinite potential of the soul. At its core, this number encourages individuals to align with their higher self and communicate openly with the universe. The number 3 brings attributes of self-expression, joy, growth, and creativity, while the double zeros amplify spiritual awakening, connection to the divine, and fresh beginnings. In the realm of manifestation and career, this number inspires confidence in your ability to create abundance. By staying focused and spiritually connected, you can turn your goals into reality. Financially, angel number 300 encourages patience and responsibility, advising you to build a solid foundation through careful planning. Professionally, it serves as a motivator for consistent effort and alignment with one's sole purpose. Its strengths lie in resilience, creativity, and a deep connection with spiritual wisdom. However, weaknesses may include becoming overly structured or resistant to change, which can hinder growth. Ultimately, angel number 300 is a reminder that divine forces are supporting your journey. Embrace your talents, trust your instincts, and stay open to transformation. Your angels are encouraging you to express your true self while remaining grounded in spiritual awareness and universal truth.